In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload receipts to Xero. Keeping digital copies of your receipts in Xero is a simple way to keep your books tidy, back up your records, and make audits or month-end reviews a lot smoother. In just a few clicks, you'll move a receipt from your computer into Xero's Files area, so it's ready to attach to bills, spend money transactions, or expense claims later. Start on your Xero dashboard after signing in. Look to the very top of the screen for your name or your organization name. Click it to open a small menu. This menu is a quick access point for settings and tools, and it's where you'll find your document storage. If you don't see this option or the menu looks different, you might not have the right user permissions, so check with your organization's Xero administrator. From that menu, click Files. This opens the Files page, which acts like your digital filing drawer inside Xero. Here, you'll see an area called the Files inbox. Think of the inbox as a temporary holding tray for documents you plan to use in Xero. You can upload items now and attach them to transactions later, which keeps your workflow flexible. Next, click Upload to Files inbox. This will open your computer's file picker so you can browse to the receipt you want to add. You can also drag and drop a file directly onto the page if you prefer. Before you choose the file, a quick tip. Make sure the receipt image is clear and readable. It should show the vendor name, date, totals, and tax amounts without glare or blur. PDFs and common image formats usually work well. If your receipt spans multiple pages, consider combining them into a single PDF to keep everything together. Select the receipt file from your computer and confirm. Xero will start uploading right away. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then the file will appear in your Files inbox list. If it doesn't show immediately, give it a moment or refresh the page. Click the file to preview it and confirm it's legible. For easier searching later, you can rename the file to something descriptive like vendor, date, and amount, or add a short note if that option is available. That's all there is to it. To recap, click your name at the top to open the menu, choose Files, select Upload to Files inbox, and pick the receipt you want to store. Your document is now safely saved in Xero and ready to attach when you record the matching transaction. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.